The Dolphin Nautilus CC Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner is a high-quality pool maintenance device designed for efficiency and convenience. With its advanced features, this product is ideal for keeping pools up to 33 feet clean and ready for use. One of the standout features of the Dolphin Nautilus CC is its wall-climbing scrubber brush, which ensures a thorough cleaning of the pool walls, eliminating the need for manual scrubbing. The brush is designed to tackle tough stains and algae, leaving the pool surface sparkling clean. Built with durable plastic material in a sleek blue and black color combination, the Dolphin Nautilus CC is not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. Its compact dimensions of 16.38 L into 16.77 W into 8.97 H make it easy to maneuver and store when not in use. Overall, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner is a reliable and efficient solution for pool maintenance. Its advanced cleaning capabilities, sturdy construction, and user-friendly design.
The WI-Bot Osprey 700 Pool Vacuum is a top-tier solution for maintaining the cleanliness of in-ground pools up to 60 feet in length. Boasting a cordless design and equipped with robotic cleaning technology, this device brings convenience and efficiency to pool maintenance routines. The sleek black color and modern design of the WI-Bot Osprey 700 Pool Vacuum enhance the aesthetic appeal of any pool area. With dimensions of 16L into 11W into 18H, this compact device can maneuver through water with ease, reaching even the most challenging spots for a thorough cleaning experience. Powered by an AC power source, the WI-Bot Osprey 700 ensures consistent performance and reliable operation. Its advanced features make pool cleaning a breeze, allowing users to sit back and relax while the robotic cleaner takes care of the hard work. In conclusion, the WI-Bot Osprey 700 Pool Vacuum is a must-have for pool owners looking to maintain pristine water conditions effortlessly. The WI-Bot Osprey 700 Pool Vacuum is a top-tier solution for maintaining the cleanliness of in-ground pools up to 60 feet in length. Boasting a cordless design and equipped with robotic cleaning technology, this device brings convenience and efficiency to pool maintenance routines. The sleek black color and modern design of the WI-Bot Osprey 700 Pool Vacuum enhance the aesthetic appeal of any pool area. With dimensions of 16L into 11W into 18H, this compact device can maneuver through water with ease, reaching even the most challenging spots for a thorough cleaning experience. Powered by an AC power source, the WI-Bot Osprey 700 ensures consistent performance and reliable operation. Its advanced features make pool cleaning a breeze, allowing users to sit back and relax while the robotic cleaner takes care of the hard work. In conclusion, the WI-Bot Osprey 700 Pool Vacuum is a must-have for pool owners looking to maintain pristine water conditions effortlessly.
The 2024 new Seodo Crab Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum offers an innovative solution for maintaining a sparkling clean pool effortlessly. With a sleek design in black and gray, this product by Seodo, the new crab model, combines style with functionality. Number 3, measuring at 20.1 inches in length, 18.1 inches in width, and 13 inches in height, this robotic pool vacuum is compact yet powerful. Its AC/DC power source ensures reliable performance, allowing you to efficiently clean your pool without the hassle of cords. The Seodo Crab Cordless Robotic Pool Vacuum stands out for its ease of use and effectiveness in keeping your pool free from debris and dirt. The cordless design provides freedom of movement, enabling the robot to navigate the pool effortlessly. Whether you have an above-ground or in-ground pool, this vacuum is versatile and can adapt to different pool surfaces. Its advanced cleaning technology ensures thorough coverage, leaving your pool spotless and ready for a refreshing.
The Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Robotic Pool Vacuum Cleaner is a top-tier solution for maintaining clean and sparkling pools up to 50 feet in length. With its innovative wall-climbing scrubber brush feature, this product sets itself apart from traditional pool cleaners. The sleek black design of the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus adds a touch of sophistication to any pool setup. At a compact size of 20L into 20W into 20H, this robotic pool vacuum cleaner is easily maneuverable for effective cleaning. Powered by an AC source, the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus operates efficiently to remove debris, dirt, and algae from your pool with precision and speed. Its advanced technology ensures thorough cleaning without the need for manual intervention, making pool maintenance hassle-free. For pool owners seeking a reliable, high-performance pool vacuum cleaner,
the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus is a standout choice. Its robust features, exceptional cleaning capabilities, and user-friendly design make it a valuable.
The Aiper Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner, also known as the Seagull SE, is a new and innovative addition to the pool cleaning market. Made from durable new 2023 material and featuring a sleek gray color, this robotic cleaner stands out not only for its design but also for its performance. Measuring at 24.8 inches in length, 18.9 inches in width, and 14.96 inches in height, the Aiper Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner is compact yet mighty. Its size allows it to navigate through pool surfaces with ease, ensuring a thorough cleaning performance. One of the standout features of this product is its cordless design, which adds convenience and flexibility to the pool cleaning process. Users no longer have to deal with tangled cords or limited reach, making maintenance a breeze. Equipped with advanced technology, the Aiper Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner boasts efficient cleaning capabilities that leave pools sparkling clean. Its intelligent navigation system allows it to maneuver around obstacles.
The Winnie Pool Cleaner. Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner, model WY1102BG, is a cutting-edge solution for maintaining a sparkling clean pool effortlessly. Crafted from durable plastic in an elegant black-green color scheme, this pool cleaning device is both functional and visually appealing. Powered by an AC source, the Winnie Pool Cleaner utilizes advanced technology to efficiently clean pools of various sizes and shapes. Its cordless design offers freedom of movement without the hassle of tangled cords, providing a seamless cleaning experience. Equipped with intelligent navigation systems, this robotic pool cleaner navigates obstacles with ease, ensuring thorough cleaning coverage each time it operates. The user-friendly interface allows for hassle-free operation, making pool maintenance a breeze for users of all.
Aiper's 2024 new Scuba S1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner in gray presents an innovative solution for pool maintenance. The product, with dimensions of 15.3 L into 8.7 W into 17.5 H, is a testament to Aiper's commitment to quality and efficiency. The cordless design enhances convenience, allowing users to clean their pools without the hassle of cables. The gray color of the product adds a sleek touch to its aesthetics, blending well with various pool designs. Aiper's Scuba S1 integrates advanced technology to deliver effective cleaning performance. The AC power source ensures reliable operation, and the compact design enables easy maneuverability in the pool. Overall, the 2024 new Aiper Scuba S1 Cordless Robotic Pool Cleaner is a commendable addition to any pool owner's maintenance toolkit. Its combination of functionality, design, and performance makes it a strong contender in the market, offering a hassle-free solution for keeping pools clean and inviting.